Hydration begins the moment water touches the mouth. Muscles guide water smoothly into the body. Water prepares the stomach for healthy digestion.
This is where hydration truly enters circulation.
Blood flows more freely with proper hydration. A hydrated heart works with less strain.
Water supports mental clarity and focus.
Every cell depends on water to function. Healthy skin starts from within. Hydration activates the body's natural filters. Water helps remove waste safely. Water keeps joints smooth and flexible. A hydrated liver cleans the body better.
Water helps the body stay cool and balanced.
One glass of water restores balance across the entire body.